Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use DIY home screen on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To use this feature, first we're gonna have to download the Samsung Good Lock application, which is available both on the Galaxy Store and Google Play Store. So just open the one that is closer to you right now. Open the search field and search for the Good Lock application, and once you find it, install it. Wait until it's installed, then open it, then accept terms of service to continue, and then find the HomeUp extension on the extensions list. Tap download next to this extension and then just wait until it's installed on your smartphone. After that, we're gonna have to open it. Open it and then tap next, try it, then switch the HomeUp on. Go to the home screen, switch the home screen feature on, and then switch on the DIY home screen. In this menu, you can also enable animating overlapping items when the app launches, and using align guide aligned on edit mode. And now, what we're gonna have to do to start using it is hold our finger down on the home screen, then tap on the DIY icon in the top right corner of the screen, then to add your first item, tap on the sticker icon and then select one of the available stickers. You have plenty here, but if you want more, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then download another sticker pack. For example, I already have downloaded the vegetables emoji pack before. Let's download something Christmas styled. Oh no, this one is actually paid for. Let's download something Christmas, but that is free. Okay, and now that it's downloaded, we will have all the stickers available in the sticker pack right here. So now let's add any sticker from the ones that we have to our home screen by tapping on it. We can increase the size of the sticker. We can also rotate it in any way. We can rotate it sideways using this middle icon. We can copy it and paste it using the copy sticker. We can delete them using the trash bin icon, and we can go back. We can actually rotate them using this one. To apply some function to the sticker, you're gonna have to tap on it and then tap this icon with the grid, where you can adjust the transparency for the sticker, and now you can select the animation for it and the app that you want to launch using this animation. And basically you can either make it perform an animation or launch an application on your smartphone. Now let's see what it does when we tap on this icon, and as you can see, it actually opens the app, the YouTube app that we assigned to it. Now besides, we also have features like that will for which we're gonna need to overlap two stickers. Now using these two icons, we can change the position of the stickers, the overlay of the sticker. So basically we can make one sticker overlay another and move the stickers between the layers. And now having at least two stickers selected, we can also order them using, for example, this icon. We can make them the same size using this one. To go back and forwards, actually use these two icons right here. And to lock two stickers together, just tap this icon right here. To unlock them, just tap on it again. Okay. And so this way you can add various different stickers on your home screen and use them to launch apps, or just perform some silly actions for you. And that's basically how you use this feature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.